You're only as old as you feel, the saying goes. But what if you actually feel old? You feel tired and run down, lacking in energy. You frequently have trouble remembering things. You feel shrouded in brain fog, lacking focus and clarity. If you can relate with any of these situations, this video is for you. Hello everyone, this is Ayu Ranch, and today we will talk about Ashwagandha, Ayurved's cherished herb. Ashwagandha has traditionally been used as a brain tonic and rejuvenator for the past 6,000 years. To learn more about this super herb, we shall first talk about its background and some interesting facts. We will talk about its general uses and the things it can help you with. We will then take a look at its Ayurvedic constituents and properties to understand how it affects the body. Armed with this knowledge, we will talk about the best practices, usage guidelines, and both positive and negative effects of ashwagandha on the body. Finally, we will talk about some powerful Ayurvedic recipes and concoctions that you can brew using ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, also known as Indian ginseng, derives its name from the word ashw meaning horse and gandh meaning smell. The herb literally smells like horse and hence the name. Although some people now mistakenly say that the name is because it gives you a horse like energy, and well, they are not entirely wrong because it does give you a horse's power and energy. Ashwagandha is a small shrub that grows to around 1.5 meters tall. It is related to the tomato plant and has small yellow flowers that turn to red fruit about the size of a raisin. It tastes slightly bitter and smells musky, but personally I prefer both the taste and the smell. Ashwagandha has powerful healing properties. It is used as a health tonic for a wide variety of problems. I'll mention three most common and popular uses. While preparing this information, we have gathered data from several research reports. You can find links to them in the description below. Use number one addresses anxiety, brain fog, and sleeplessness. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that raises the ability of body to resist higher levels of stress-inducing hormone called cortisol. Research has also shown that ashwagandha promote antioxidant activity that protects nerve cells from harmful free radicals, and so it helps to keep the brain young, improves memory and concentration levels. Use number 2 muscle weakness, bone disorders, and energy. As we age, our bones and muscles start decaying, and apart from exercising, diet is one way to keep that health in place. By including ashwagandha in your diet, one can reduce inflammation in muscles and even increase bone density. Ashwagandha has been shown to significantly impact athletic performance by improving heart and lung capacity while increasing energy levels. Not only is this useful for the purposes of exercise, it is also helpful for people who struggle with their energy levels or those with fatigue related conditions. Use number 3 sexual wellness. Ashwagandha works over time by slowly building back up your ojas or the vital energy stores in our body. It also helps increase testosterone levels and significantly boosts sperm quality and fertility in men. Traditionally, this herb has also been a major component of many aphrodisiac formulations, and we shall talk more about these recipes later in the video. Now let's discuss the Ayurvedic properties of ashwagandha. We will discuss the three effects of ashwagandha, first of which manifests quickly after eating and it's called as gund. Second is the virya, which affects how you feel during digestion. And finally is the vipak, which is the post-digestive effect. Ashwagandha's main gun is laghu and snigdh. Food having laghu gun are easier to digest and pacifies the lethargy after eating a heavy meal, thus keeping your head clear and alert. Snigdh gun, on the other hand, provides lubrication for food when passing across the digestive tract, and it is effective for people who have dry skin. Ashwagandha has Ushna Virya, which means it stimulates the digestive juices and in turn boosts the digestive process. This is why ashwagandha should not be taken in empty stomach or else it may lead to acidity. You can either take it after meal or take it after mixing with milk, which has a Sheetal Virya, which counteracts the Ushna of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has Madhur Vipak, which means it encourages tissue growth, builds muscle, along with boosting sperm production and helps in renewing sexual vigor with regular consumption. Now let's talk about the three dosh which forms the basis of Ayurvedic treatment. They are Vat, which is related to flow of food, blood and air, Pitta, which governs digestion and metabolic activity, and Kapha, which deals with the physique and development of muscles and tissues. As we discussed earlier, ashwagandha has snigdha gun, helping flow of food across the digestive tract. It's also madhur and helps build muscle and increase tissue growth. In other words, ashwagandha helps in pacifying vat and kapha. Next, let's talk about the usage guidelines. There are a number of ways to take this herb. Most commonly used is the powdered form of the herb's root, and it's widely available online or at any Ayurvedic pharmacy. Another less common but useful way people take this herb is by preparing tea using ashwagandha leaves and flowers. It's famously taken as a milk decoction, aka the moon milk, the recipe for which we shall discuss shortly. It can be taken as a 1000 milligram tablet or as a 250 to 500 milligram capsule twice a day. To calm Vat and regulate sleep cycle, you can have a glass of hot milk mixed with 1 tablespoon powdered ashwagandha mixed with some honey before bedtime. Regarding its usage time, as explained before, some people might feel a burning sensation if ashwagandha is consumed right before food or on empty stomach. Hence, it's best to take it 30 minutes after food right before your sleep time. If ashwagandha milk remedy is made, then it can be taken before food based on your doctor's advice. Now let's talk about some side effects of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, while it's safe for most people to consume, may interact with thyroid, blood pressure, and blood sugar medications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as people with autoimmune diseases, may need to avoid ashwagandha or consult a physician. Large doses can cause diarrhea, stomach upset, and vomiting. It could also negatively interact with sedatives, blood thinners, thyroid supplements, and drugs that suppress the immune system. It might also interact with drugs for anxiety, high blood pressure, and diabetes. As always, consult a physician. They say a fist is stronger than a finger. Similarly, many herbs are complementary to ashwagandha and effect a great mental and physical health change when taken together. According to Ayurveda, milk is considered one of the best vehicles to take medicines, and in all subsequent recipes, you shall see milk as the base for the herbal mixture. This is because ashwagandha and milk have similar properties. Both of them are considered rejuvenators and nourish the ojas or vital energy essence of the body. Their combined synergistic effect helps balance the virya and increases their effectiveness. You can further sweeten these recipes with honey for a better taste. Our first recipe helps with mental wellness. For this recipe, mix ashwagandha powder, brahmi powder, gotu kola, and jatamansi with milk in proportions as mentioned and drink it in the morning. All of these herbs are brain tonic and their combined effect helps you relieve mental fatigue and become alert and clear-headed throughout the day. Our second recipe helps with sexual and physical wellness. Take ashwagandha, vidarikand, shatavari, mulethi, and trikatu with milk in proportions as mentioned and drink it twice daily. It increases sexual desire, rejuvenates the body, and increases strength and muscle growth. Last is the moon milk, which is the easiest of all recipes. Take ashwagandha, cinnamon, dry ginger, and a pinch of nutmeg, and mix everything in warm milk. Finally, add a few drops of coconut oil and honey to taste. This drink is an instant stress buster and makes up for a peaceful sleep at night. That's all for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about some herb that helps boost immunities and would be beneficial to you in these troubled times. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and stay safe.